village in Kerala, little Raghu sat by his window drawing with his crayons.
Hello friends, I am drawing a dragon's picture. Today it's raining outside.
He carefully colored a bright green dragon, giving it big wings and kind eyes. Suddenly, a loud thunderclap shook the sky. The wind burst open his window and raindrops splashed onto his drawing book. A flash of lightning struck and the dragon began to blow. To Raghu's amazement, the dragon blinked, stretched and gently stepped out of the page.
Let's create long Pixar 3D animation in just a few steps. Watch till the end.
Step 1, ideation. For this we would be using role prompting. What does role prompting mean? Go to any LLM. It can be ChatGPT or Gemini. I am using ChatGPT for example. Look at this prompt carefully. Imagine you are a professional story writer. We give this job role so that ChatGPT or LLM can actually behave like a professional story writer, right? Because we are aiming to create a story for our film. Now the story here which I am using, that is my own self-made story, so I automatically get a full copyright. For example, if you are generating the idea from ChatGPT and then you are creating the film, then make sure at least 30% of that story is changed after you get the idea. Otherwise you might get a copyright claim or plagiarism issues in your future to monetize your channel. So for the time being, I am showing you what exactly have I written in the prompt. Make a short story version of Raghu and his dragon kids bedtime story within how many words? I want it to be in 150 words. You can make it longer, okay? Make it similar to this story where I have given a detailed description of the story outline to ChatGPT and then hit generate. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given these amazing story lines for me. So now let us go to the second part. Copy these and create the voiceover. Part 2, voiceover. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. For voiceover, we will go to 11 Labs. You may also go to Google Labs. First, let us see how to generate audio from 11 Labs. Go to straight away text to speech option. First, you'll have to log in, of course. After that, you will have to just paste the entire story. Select your voiceover artist from here. Okay, anyone as you want. I am choosing my own cloned voice for the time being, and then generate speech. Now, let us go to the second software, which is Google AI Studio. Here you will have to select this model part, and here as you can see you have different types of models. For example, you can create image, you can create video, and you can create audio as well. Music agents, gem, these are different things, so I am not getting into that. For the time being, I will select audio. Under audio you have different models. So I would suggest you go for Gemini Flash 3 3.1 model. Here you have different genres, right? You can create for everyday assistant, you can create audio for different other genre, patient, artist, all this, patient, teacher and all this stuff. I am going to go for master storyteller. Here you have the option to select, you want one speaker or two speakers, okay, and you have all these voiceovers, right? So I am taking a soft voiceover. Okay, you can go for different other voiceover also. Okay, now style, you can go for whisper, empathetic, promo, deep pan, vocal smile. So I'll go for vocal smile. Space, you can keep it natural, you can keep it drift or staccato. So I'll go for natural, and in here you can change the accent with the same artist. So I'm going for British accent with these filtered on. As you can see, all these are here. So temperature, you can keep it, you can increase or decrease. I am keeping it by default, and here as I have taken only one artist. Yep. So you can just paste it. You can give the context or the scene what is going on, or you can directly run the control. Once you run the control, the audio will be generated. As you can see, my audio is getting generated.
The old house stood.
Okay, so it's getting generated, so let it get generated. So once it is getting generated, you can download from this download button. So our voiceover is ready. Now let us go to the third step, where we will be creating the scene
On a rainy night.
So my audio is ready. It is 1 minute 10 seconds audio, but then again we will be adding a lot of sound effect and all while editing. I'll show you, so that it becomes anywhere between 2.5 to 3 seconds long, 3 minutes long, 3 minutes long video. So you can go ahead and download. So either of the cases, you are getting a very nice voiceover, which makes a lot of difference in storytelling. Let us go to the next part. Is to create the character sheet. For this, give this exact prompt. Imagine you are an AI film director. This is again a role prompt where you are defining the role as AI film director. Now give the Pixar 3D style. Here you can change the style if in case it is dynamic, it's cinematic, it's hyperrealism, it's ultra hyperrealism. Whatever is your style, you can change it accordingly. Detailed character prompts to create the main characters in the film. I will use Leonardo AI. Here you can use any other software, but I am suggesting Leonardo AI because this is one of the best MCPs where you can find different models. So you have a lot of options. Okay, and send it. I have got the main characters prompts here. Now you can ignore the images, whatever has been provided. Now you can take the prompt and the consistency tag. Okay, first copy the prompt and go to the next software, Leonardo AI. Here go to image section. Here paste the prompt. Don't forget to provide the extra parts for consistency. Here you can choose Nano Banana 2, or you may choose Phonics 1.0. Here 16:9 large. The style should be 3D render. One image. No advanced settings required. Phonics 1.0 3D render model. Contrast high. Generation mode ultra. 16:9 large, and create only one image. So it will take only 30 generation credits, and send it. This image. So simply go ahead and download the image. So like this you will have to create all the characters. I have already created the character of the green dragon as well. So these are the two main characters. Let us move to the next part where we will be creating the character sheet. Higgsfield AI. In Higgsfield AI, you'll have to go to image section, and here choose Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Either of it. I am choosing Nano Banana 2. Plus button, and upload your image. So I will click on it and open. After this, provide this exact prompt. I'll be providing this prompt in a document which you can claim by typing prompt in the comment section. So here, as you can see, I have given image 1 as character reference and then followed by the prefixed prompt, which you don't need to change anything. You just need to upload your respective image and this sort of an output will be coming, and then hit generate. You don't have to change the 2K resolution to 4K because at times for video generation 4K is not yet accepted. So keep it 2K. 2K is good enough for YouTube videos. 16:9 or 21:9, whatever you want, you can keep. I am keeping 16:9. 1 to 4 images you can create. I am creating one, and a banana 2, and hit generate. Output where I am getting different angle image with the gray background and the faces image from different angle. This is going to be our character reference. Like this, I have created the character reference for the second character as well. The same prompt I have used, just changed the image as a reference image which I have created from the previous software. Once this is done, now this is time we will have to create the scene by scene prompt from ChatGPT. So let's go. It would be make 10 image prompts. This can be 15, 20, whatever as per the length of the movie. For a 4 minutes movie, it ideally takes somewhere around 1500 to 1800 words, and for covering this length of movie or movie trailer, you need 20 to 25 images. So accordingly you can change the number of images. For the time being, I have kept it 10 image prompts based on the story, and remaining part will remain same. This prompt will provide you 2 prompts scene by scene. One is image prompt, one is video prompt, and one for consistent character maintenance. So let's see what are the prompts which has been given. So hit generate. And I have got this part which is for consistency, and remaining, as you can see, one image prompt and one video prompt. So let us copy the main prompts from here. Now we will go to Higgsfield AI again. Not to only here, you will have to now along with the character reference, or instead of character reference you can go for character sheet, which is this one. Okay, and then provide the main prompt character, and after Raghu we will have to add the Raghu's character detail. So after Raghu, just paste the remaining prompt and send it. Like this, scene by scene you will have to create. Where there is only Raghu, then add only Raghu's character sheet. If there are 2 characters, then add the dragon's character sheet as well. And like this, my dear friends, we have got all the image prompts scene by scene. As you can see, scene 2, scene 3, like this, 10 image prompts, and accordingly we have got all these images ready. So once this is ready, then if you want to create multiple angle shots of the same image without any extra prompting, you can go to this multi-shot option, and here as you can see they have created different shots. So you will have to go for start new, and you will have to upload the image, and they will create like this. They will be creating 9 shots, and then you'll have to select one by one shots which you want to upscale, and then you'll have to click on upscale and finally download. Now last option, that is creating the video. So let us go. I will be providing all these softwares link in the description. Go to video generation option. Here upload your first frame. Now paste the simple prompt. make sure VO 3.0 is selected, and then here you can keep 5 seconds. You can create up till 4K resolution and till 15 seconds long audio video, but I need only 5 seconds, so I'll keep it 5. It will take 135 generation credits and hit generate. Like this I have created all these videos. And further, if you want to create the lip sync, then go to lip sync. And here you may add the dialogue, select the voiceover artist and hit generate like this. I have created this video.
Hello, friends. I am drawing a dragon's picture. Today it's raining outside. Hello.
Okay, so like this, one by one you'll have to scene by scene create entire series, and then finally you'll have to edit, and this is the final result.
On a rainy night in a quiet village in Kerala, little Raghu sat by his window drawing with his crayons.
Hello, friends. I am drawing a dragon's picture. Today it's raining outside.
He carefully colored a bright green dragon, giving it big wings and kind eyes. Suddenly, a loud thunderclap shook the sky. The wind burst open his window and raindrops splashed onto his drawing book. A flash of lightning struck and the dragon began to blow. To Raghu's amazement, the dragon blinked, stretched and gently stepped out of the page.
I am your friend, Raghu. I will take you to a world of dreams. Climb on me.
Come with me, it whispered. In a blink, Raghu found himself flying through the clouds on the dragon's back. They reached a magical land where streams flowed with sweet cream and trees grew colorful popsicle fruits. Raghu laughed with joy, his heart full of wonder. As the night faded, the dragon brought him back home.
Wake up, dear. You will have to go to school.
Was it just a dream?
The drawing was still there, but now Raghu knew. Magic is real if you believe.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.